Oh, hi. I'm comparing myself to a fruit or vegetable. I'd have to say I'm compared to a grape. A grape because it's tasty, it's colorful, and the skin is kind of thin. Although I'm only thin-skinned because it's kind of funny looking skin, and it can come in very many different colors at times. Anyway, I think scary movies. I don't really like scary movies. There's only one reason I don't like scary movies, and that's because I haven't been in one. I'm thinking of being in one. Will it scare me to be in one? I don't think so, because I'm already an executive in a studio, in a recording studio. So if you're looking for an executive, I'm her. If you're looking for one for a studio, I'm her. Although, I think, as far as scary movies, I can do it. As far as fruit and vegetables, I don't think I can be a Fruit of the Loom at all. I don't think I'm cut out to be a grape. As far as being anybody special, if there's anything special about me, I used to think there was, but I am no more special than anybody else. As far as acting, I can do it. As a matter of fact, am I acting now? Or is this me? I'm not sure. Are you sure? Maybe, maybe not. You're going to have to bring me there to find out. See you.